Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos from your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the Photos app to open it. This is where all your images and videos are stored, and it's also where you can recover anything you've accidentally deleted. Once you're in the Photos app, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several options there, and you'll want to tap on Collections. This section organizes your photos into different categories and gives you access to various folders, including the one we need for recovery. After tapping Collections, look at the top of your screen where you'll find different folder options. Tap on Trash. This is essentially a recycle bin for your photos and videos where everything you delete is temporarily stored before being permanently removed from your device. Google keeps your deleted items here for 60 days, giving you plenty of time to restore anything you might have deleted by mistake. Now you can see all the deleted photos or videos here in your trash folder. These are all the items you've recently removed from your main photo library. Take a moment to browse through and find the specific photo or video you want to bring back. The items are usually organized by the date they were deleted, making it easier to locate what you're looking for. Once you've found it, tap the photo you want to recover. This will open the image in full screen and give you access to additional options for that specific item. You can preview it to make sure it's the right one before proceeding with the restoration. With the photo now open, look for the Restore button and tap it. This action immediately moves the photo back to your main library, returning it to its original location as if it was never deleted. The restoration process happens instantly, so you don't need to wait for any processing time. And that's it. Your photo is now back in your main gallery where it belongs, fully recovered and ready to view or share. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.